Okay, here I have two different bases going on, and if I could write 8, for example, simply in terms of base 3, I would. But I can't, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the log of both sides, and that's going to get rid of the exponents. Normally, the base of the log I would use would be the base of the exponential that's there, but here I have two different bases, so I simply get to pick a base to use. I'm going to use base 8. So I'm going to take log base 8 of the left, so 8 to the 4 plus 3x, equals log base 8 of the right, so 3 to the 1 minus 2x. Okay, log base 8 of 8 to the 4 plus 3x, that's 4 plus 3x. Here, I can't simplify this one quite as easily, but I can take this exponent and put it out front. So that gives me a 1 minus 2x times log base 8 of 3. Now, log base 8 of 3 is a number. I don't know what it is as a decimal approximation, but it is a number. So I'm going to take this number here and distribute it to the 1 and to the minus 2x. So I have 4 plus 3x on this side equals 1 times log base 8 of 3 minus 2x times log base 8 of 3. All right, well, I'm going to keep this side, so 4 plus 3x equals 1 times log base 8 of 3, that's just log base 8 of 3, 2x times log base 8 of 3. I'm going to multiply like terms. I'm going to put like terms next to one another. So I'm going to put the 2 and this other number, log base 8 of 3, next to one another. So I have 2 log base 8 of 3 being multiplied by x. Okay, now I need to get the x's on one side and everything that doesn't have an x on the other side. So I'll add this multiple of x to both sides, so plus 2 log base 8 of 3x plus 2 log base 8 of 3 times x. So on this side I get 4 plus 3x plus 2 log base 8 of 3 x equals, I just have log base 8 of 3 on this side. Now I'm going to bring the 4 over. So I have log base 8 of 3 minus 4. The next thing that I'm going to do on this side, I have 3 times x plus 2 log base 8 of 3 times x. So I'm going to combine those terms. I factor out an x, and I have 3 here, plus 2 times log base 8 of 3 here. So that equals log base 8 of 3 minus 4. Okay, I don't get to combine these. So this is the exact, this is pretty much how I have to leave this side. So all I do is I divide both sides by that term, and I get x is equal to log base 8 of 3 minus 4 divided by 3 plus 2 log base 8 of 3. And that right there is the final answer.